while discussing the nature of Atma Jnana, I had passingly mentioned that in Patanjala Yoga Sutra, Atma Jnana is mentioned, but not directly. It is there indirectly, and those who are conversant with Vedanta can easily deduce with the 4 sutras of Patanjala Yoga. Here, Vidyaranya Muni, in the 3rd chapter of Jivan Mukti Manonasha Prakarana, has shown, based on these 4 sutras, how Patanjala Yoga Sutra does contain Atma Jnana. So let us see what Vidyaranya has to say. The main preoccupation of Yoga Shastra, as composed by Patanjali in his sutras, is to provide a therapy to subdue the unruly mind through Nirodha Samadhi. Therein, the self-knowledge, though implied, is not told directly. In fact, only those who are conversant with Vedanta can discern this easily. So Vidyaranya Muni analyzes this topic in his Jivan Mukti Viveka, chapter 3, that is Manonasha. Let us see now.
योग शास्त्रस्य चित्त चिकित्सक समाधि मात्रे प्रवृत्तत्वात् निरोध समाधौ आत्मदर्शनम् तत्र न साक्षात् उक्तम्.
This is the purpose of Patanjala Yoga Sutra, or what you say, Ashtanga Yoga. What is it? Yoga Shastrasya, Yoga Shastra, Chitta Chikitsaka Samadhi Matre Pravrittata. Chitta Chikitsaka, बहुत अच्छा phrase है ये. It is a very beautiful phrase. Chikit, do you know who is Chikitsaka? Doctor. Chikitsaka, one who does chikitsa, one who treats the diseases. Now, Patanjala Ashtanga Yoga, Patanjala Yoga is a shastra, a scripture given to, dedicated to, what is that? Chitta Chikitsaka Samadhi Matre Pravrittatva. It is Pravrutta, it is engaged in the shastra which serves as a therapy or which treats the mind. So the Pravritta. Nirodha Samadho, and how the mind is treated, cured by vigorous the mind, wandering mind, etc., unruly mind, by Nirodha Samadhi. Now you should know what is Nirodha. Nirodha means Vritti Rahitya. Vritti Rahitya, a state of Antakarana, mind where there are no vrittis. So Nirodha Samadho, Atma Darshanam, Atma Jnana, Sakshat Nauktam. Directly not told. Why? It is not a subject matter. But, say, continue.
Bhangyantarena tu अभ्युपगम्यते योगश्चित्तवृत्ति निरोधः इति सूत्रयित्वा तदा द्रष्टुः स्वरूपे अवस्थानम् इति सूत्रणात्.
Bhangyantарena. Bhangi means mode, okay? a method. What? Antarena means what? By an indirect method. Bhangantarena. What actually it means? Not other method. In the English we can put round about the way. You know what is that? Round about the way. Means what is that? Not direct. Indirectly. Like your Dravida Pranayama. So indirectly, round about the way, bhangantarena, tu means whereas, to show the contrast, not that totally Atma Jnana is not told there, it is told, but not directly, indirectly, the round about the way. So that is, तो अभ्युपगम्यते स्वीकृत किया जाता है. What is स्वीकृत किया जाता है? It is accepted. What is accepted? That Atma Jnana is mentioned where? In the Patanjala Sutra, in the round about the way. How is it said? It is 4 sutras are being given, and it is going to be deduced that Atma Jnana is available where? Is not available, is accomplished right here. And what is that here? Nirodha Samadhi. That is the first sutra. Not first, here first sutra, but it is first pada, second sutra. First sutra, Atha Yoganuशासनम. And what is yoga? Samadhi. So therefore, what is that samadhi? That is say, yoga chitta vritti nirodha. Translation is, stopping of thoughts is samadhi. Stopping of thoughts is what? Samadhi. Stopping of thoughts, but you are not sleeping. In sleep also you will stop the thought. So without that, you are not sleeping, at the same time thoughts are stopped. So that says, so yoga, that is yoga here is what? Samadhi. Samadhi. Chitta vritti nirodha. Nirodha rahityam. Absence of chitta vritti antakarana vritti. Iti sutrayitva. Having given or composed this sutra. What is that? Yogastu chitta vritti nirodha. Next sutra says, that is 1/4, first pada, 4th, this is 1/3. Then second one, next sutra. Tada drashtu swarupena avasthanam. Samadhi is defined. Now, what exactly happens, or what exactly is the nature of that samadhi? Tada means sarva vritti nirodha rupe. Antakarana, wherein all vrittis are ended. And it is technically called, in Paribhashika Shabda it is called asampradhyata samadhikale. It is the one that is state which is asampradhyata samadhi. Asampradhyata means nirvikalpa samadhi. Drashtu of drashta. Who is drashta? Chitirupa purushasya. Drashta is purusha. See, you have to be careful about this word purusha because it is used in the many different meanings. Here, purusha is atma. What is who is that atma? Chitirupasya. Whose nature is what? Nothing but Chaitanya and Chaitanya alone. So therefore, drashtuho of drashta means chitirupasya purushasya. That is what happens. Swarupena avasthanam. Avasthana, avasthitihi, abidance. where Swarupena, in its Swarupa, in whose Swarupa? In Atma's Swarupa. What is the Atma Swarupa? Once sometime we had seen on the day of Holi, I won't say holy day, holiday ho jayega wo. On the day of Holi, children all colors etc. But at times the mother itself will not be able to recognize the child. So what has happened? Child is there or not? But all this is, what is there? How do they give a clean bath? That's what, like that. Atma is there, but lot of colors have been thrown on that. What colors? Colors in terms of vrittis. What vrittis? Shabda, sparsha, rupa, rasa, gandha, sukha, dukkha, mana, apamana, all this samsara vrittis. In short, jiva's life. So that is all that is free from that. Swarupena. These vrittis made you to think that it is Atma has what? Changed and become who? Jiva. No. Get rid of them. So that is what they say. Swarupena. What is Swarupena? Aropita, Shanta, Ghora, Mudha, Vritti, Rahita, Nirvishaya, Chaitanya Matra, Prakasha, Swarupena. I am taking in detail and I am making use of a vritti or a tika. Do you know who is this person? Sadashiva Brahmendra. The one with a master in Nirvikalpa Samadhi. The one Jivan Mukta who was always used to get lost. He has written Sadashiva, not ordinary name, Sadashiva Brahmendra. Says, what is that Swarupa? Which is Chaitanya Matra Prakasha Swarupe. Only Chaitanya is there. Aropita, Adhyastha, no vrittis are there. That is what is said as what? Aropita, superimposed, Adhyastha. What type of vrittis? Here, for our better understanding, it has been clubbed into three categories. Shanta, Ghora, Mudha. Shanta vrittis on account of Sattva Guna. Ghora vrittis on account of Rajoguna. Mudha vrittis on account of Tamoguna. Our entire life samsara is vrittis of these three gunas. These three gunas is equal to what? Samsara. And how do we experience samsara? Through vrittis. Is there any other way, channel for you to experience Sukha Dukkha Atmaka Samsara other than Antakarana Vrittis? No. That's why in sleep, temporarily, Vrittis are not there, Samsara is there, but it is there in dormant form. Only to spring forth again in dream or the sleep, not sleep. Waking. So that will say Nirvishaya Chaitanya without this. So that is what Avasitaha means. What in short it means? In Nirvikalpa Samadhi, called here in Patanjali Vikta Asamprat Samadhi, Chaitanya Rupa Atma in its real nature, totally free from Adhyastha, Samsara means Adhyastha Vrittis. Okay? Then let us see.
Yadyapi Nirvikaraha Drashta Sada Swarupe Eva Vatisthate Tathapi
तथापि
वृत्तिषु उत्पद्यमानासु
वृत्तिषु उत्पद्यमानासु
तत्र चिच्छायायां
तत्र चिच्छायां
प्रतिबिम्बितायां
प्रतिबिम्बितायां
तत् अविवेकात् अस्वस्थः इव
तदविवेकात् अस्वस्थः इव
द्रष्टा भवति।
द्रष्टा भवति।
So this is the next sutra. 1.4 is introducing. Vritti sarupyam itaratra is going to come. Say, yadyapi, even though this is a fact. What is the fact? Nirvikara drashta. With drashta here, nirupadhika vritti rahita chaitanya purusha atma. Nirvikara means changeless, though changeless. Changeless. Nirvikara drashta. Sada swarupe eva avatishtati. Always abiding where? In its swarupa. Don't think Atma has got bondage at any time. If Atma had ears, it will wonder what these people are talking. Bandha moksha, and Atma, 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 Atma. Perhaps Atma doesn't know it is called Atma. You understood? Because we have got Anatma, we call Atma. It doesn't know. It is in its Chandogya. Sve Mahimni. In its own glory. If you ascribe any name to it, foul. Even Brahma foul. Atma foul. That's why I was telling. ज़्यादा होशियारी नहीं करना. What होशियारी? What is होशियारी? Cleverness of what? Arguing. Like this, etc. In Brahma what? Nothing is there. See? That is sada swarupe eva tishtate. See, even at the period when the jiva undergoes calamitous samsara, Atma is what? Swarupa, in its own Swarupa. Therefore, sada swarupa tishtate eva tishtate. Tathapi. It's always buts are big problem. But, even then, but, isn't it? But, you heard the first part of the sentence, you thought relieved. But what? The moment but came, gadbad. Tathapi, even then, but. Vrittishu utpadyamanasu. When in antakarana, vrittis are born. In the dearth of them, not born, effervescence. You know what is effervescence? Non-stop, one after the other. So that is Vrittishu utpadyamanasu tatra. Tatra means Vrittishu, in the Vrittishu. Chichayayam. Chichayayam means Chidabhasa. Pratibimbitayam. When the Chichaya is reflected, Chidabhasa is available, Chaitanya is reflected in that. Tadavivekad, because of Tadaviveka. Tayoho aviveka. What is the tayoho? Chichaya vrityoho. Of vritti and chidabhasa, because of unable to what? that distinguish between them. Chitta Veda. Pratibimbitayam tadaviveka, because of this lack of distinction between them, asvastha iva drashta bhavati. This drashta, Atma, asvastha, very beautiful word. Asvastha iva bhavati. You know what asvastha? Who is sick? Actually not sick, serious person. बहुत अस्वस्थ हो गया. So the asvastha means what? Samsari. Asvastha. Swastha means, first means the healthy. Asvastha means sick. What sickness here? Samsara sickness. Sukha dukkha. That's what he says. Vedanta is very clear, this is mark. Asvastha iva. This what? Like a person is seriously ill. Seriously. Bhavati. Tadapi, even this fact, Anantara Sutrena Uktam. Anantara Sutrena means by the next sutra, it is told, fourth sutra of first pada.
वृत्ति सारूप्यम इतरत्र.
Itaratra. At other times. What is that? Vyutthana Kali. Vyutthana Kali. That is Itaratra. So what is it? Vritti Sarupya. So Vyutthana Kali. What happens in Vyutthana Kali? What is, you know what is Vyutthana Kali? This person has come out of Samadhi. He has come out of Samadhi experience. What happens to him? He is perceiving the Jagat. Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, Chara is perceiving. Means the sense objects are experienced or perceived. That Vyutthana Kali. Vyutthana Kali. So what happens? Sarupyam. He becomes, who Atma becomes, Eka Rupa, similar to all these vrittis perceived. So that means, in other words, in our words, what to say, gets identified with all antakarana. And when identified with antakarana vritti, takes the features of antakarana vritti as belonging to myself. Dukkha vritti is that sorrowful, ayyo. Sukha vritti is that happy, ha ha. So, ha ha. I told you, in Kathopanishad, this samsara is compared to a vriksha. That passage of Bhashya you should read is a literary excellence. You can enjoy if you know Sanskrit language. It's a literary excellence. Ayyo, mucha mucha. So that is vritti sarupyam itaratra iti. Fine, that means what? Actually, Atma in its own swarupa, even in the duration of your what? Jivahood. Jivatva. Your Jivahood. Atma is what? Hi. Not hi, okay, how are you? Hi, ekdam. At ease. Because no samsara. Paramananda Sarupa. Vritti Svada. So, but because of this identification, he means what? Atma appears to suffer samsara. When you say from Atma standpoint, we have to say appears to have something, really not. From Jiva standpoint, certainly what? He is, that is the distinction. This also is what Patanjali has captured in the sutras. Tadapi. तदपि अनंतर सूत्रेण उक्तम् अन्यत्रापि
अन्यत्रापि सूत्रितम्
अन्यत्रापि सूत्रितं
सत्त्वपुरुषयोः
सत्त्वपुरुषयोः
अत्यन्तासंकीर्णयोः
अत्यन्तासंकीर्णयोः
प्रत्ययविशेषः
प्रत्ययविशेषः
भोगः
भोगः
परार्थत्वात्
परार्थत्वात्
अपरार्थत्वात्. Then संयमात् पुरुष ज्ञानम, you add that. Sunay, not Swartha Sanyama. Continue. It is not complete Satsutra. Swartha Sanyama Purusha Jnana. Of course, he even hinted a quotation. But it will be good for us to have the complete sutra so that we will know the meaning of it. Swartha Sanyama Purusha Jnanam. Swartha Sanyama Purusha Jnanam may completes the sutra. See? Sattva Purushayo, between these two. Who are these two? Sattva stands for Buddhi, Purusha stands for Atma. Between Buddhi and Atma, Antakarna and Atma, Atyanta Sankirnayo, Atyanta Asankirnayo. Sankirna means mixed. No Sankirna, Asankirna is separate, distinct. And how? Atyanta, totally distinct from one another. Atma on one side, Buddhi or Antakarna side are like what? Light and darkness, never mixed. So, means one appears as Bhokta, who enables the Bhoga, other is Bhogya, which is enjoyed or suffered. Purusha Atma, because he enables the experience of Sukha Dukkha Bhogya, appears as Bhokta, not really Karta Bhokta. When you say Karta Bhokta, who is involved? A sentient entity is involved. Chaitanya is involved. Whereas Bhogya, that which is enjoyed or suffered, distinct or not. You are seeing on the road a, what can I put? Donkey or buffalo? A buffalo. You are seeing a buffalo on the road. I think Bombay buffaloes are not, cows are there. Buffaloes are a buffalo. So that is different from you or not. Drashna. Antakarna vritti buddhi, you are aware of. That entity you finally resolves where in the Drashta Purusha Chaitanya. Distinct or not. So that is Atyanta Bhinnayoho. As a Jada Chetana, Bhokta, Bhogya, different levels. So they Atyanta Bhinnayoho. Pratyaya, what is that? Pratyaya Visheshaha. Pratyaya Visheshaha. Avishesha. Pratyayaihi Avishesha. Avishesha is Sarupya. Sarupya with what? Pratyayas. Because they get, see what happens. Antakarna vritti, which are inner, because of Chit Pratibimba, appears to be sentient, Sachetana. And you take them to be what? Yourself. So what has happened now? This Purusha appears to be identified with the pratyayas, buddhi, etc. Avishesha, that is Purushesha, Purushasya of Atma, Abheda Pratipatti, that is experience with identity with the pratyayas, antakarana, vritti. That is sarupya. That is what is called as what? Bhogaha. Same thing or the other. See, antakarana vrittis are inert in nature. Chaitanya is the only Jnapti Tattva sentience principle. But this Chidabhasa, Chaitanya reflected in Antakarana Vrittis called Pratyaya, make the Pratyayas, Antakarana Vritti, appear as though Sachetana. Because they are aglow with what? Reflected Chaitanya. And Purusha mistakes, this is my nature. Purusha mistakes what? This is my nature. So that is how, that is what is called Bhoga. And for whom this Bhoga, how many entities are involved here? Purusha and Pratyaya. Pratyaya stands for Buddhi or Antakarana, with all its changes. Purusha. Now, who is meant for who? Like no, whether master is meant for servant or servant is meant for master. Not a correct example because they are what? Mutual. One is meant for other. Here it is not that way. That is not a correct, good example. So here it is there. So Purusha Chaitanya is meant for Buddhi or Buddhi is meant for this thing. Who gives Bhoga? Buddhi. Okay. So therefore, Bhoga, can it be for inert Buddhi? Bhoga must be for a sentient entity. Who is this entity? Purusha. So therefore it says, Pararthatva. Pararthatva means what? Meant for Purusha, Atma, Chaitanya, Chiti, Swarupa. Pararthatva. Pararthatva. Now, Adhyaropa is over. What has happened? The Purusha appears as what? Samsari, undergoing Kartrutva, Bhoktrutva, Bhoga, etc. Now, how to get out of it? That poor Purusha doesn't. Now you are supposed to help him. You are supposed to help, okay? To who? Purusha Atma. What will you do? Run to Google's. Internet में कुछ मिलता है क्या देखो. That is the idea. So therefore I say, no. Patanjala Sutra itself says, what is it? Swartha Sanyaman Purusha Jnanam. Swartha Sanyaman Purusha Jnanam. That is Swarthe Sanyama. Here Swartha stands for Atma Purusha. Sanyama stands for Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi put together. Or in general, focusing the mind on the Dheya to the extent that mind gets absorbed in the Dheya, meditated entity. It was Samadhi here. So therefore, Swarthe Sanyamat, what happens? Purusha Jnanam. What Purusha Jnanam? Atma Sakshatkara takes place. Atma Jnana is there or not?
Yes.
Atma Sakshatkara takes place. Now here a doubt is there. What is the doubt? See, this chitta What has happened? What is established now? Because of this identification, Purusha appears to gain the samsara. Then Swarte Sayama, that is by Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. So what you do? Vritti Rahitya, absence of Vritti accomplished. That is what is there? Atma in its true nature, free from all adhyastha, is there. Fine? Now you say, if that is the case, how samsara is available? Because look, your chitta, is it swagrahya or not paragrahya? Chittantaragrahya. The chitta antakarana, is it on its own knows, etc., or is known, or by another chitta? Chittantara grahya. That is, means, or atmagrahya. But it is not so. Chitta is not known on its own. Chitta not known on account of other chitta. Chitta is known on account of Atma. So therefore it is called Atmagrahya. Chitta swagrahya not. Chitta antaragrahya known by other chitta not. It is known by what? Chaitanya Rupa Atma. That means Chaitanya Rupa Atma is the knower principle. Chitta, which projects the samsara, is known entity. Well, then, is it not true, sir? Knower entity, Drik, is totally distinct from known entity, Drishya. How Purusha Atma appears to be samsari? Sun illumines the Jagat. Is it affected by Jagat? In its presence it gets. Even you can't say Chaitanya Atma illumines the Drishya Buddhi. In its presence it gets illumined. No. So that is how this Atma has become what? Samsari. So that is there. Anyatra. Anay. Chite.
चितेः
चिते
अप्रतिसंक्रमायाः तदाकारापत्तौ स्वबुद्धिसंवेदनम्.
So this is Sutra 422. In your book it is clearly mentioned, I know. So Andashram book, these are the references now. Fourth pada 22. So what he says, Chitehe apratisankramayaha chite. That is, when chiti, what is chiti? Apratisankrama means changeless in nature, that which doesn't change at all. So that is that is when the unchanging chiti, that is chiti, that what this Chaitanya Rupa Atma, that is Purusha. Chiteha, sixth case, Purushasya of Atma. Tadakarapattau. That stands for Chitta. Chittakarapattau. When the changeless Chaitanya Rupa Atma appears to, we have to put appears, not really, appears to assume the form of Antakarana, Chitta, Buddhi, Swabuddhi Samvedanam. What happens? Swabuddhi here is Swabhogya. Buddhi Samvedana means experience of Bhogya takes place. Simple. When Chaitanya Rupa Atma through Chidabhasa is identified with Antakarana Vritti, whatever that is presented by Antakarana Vritti becomes the Bhogya, and who? Purusha appears as Bhokta. Why? We don't know the real nature of the Chiti, totally free from Adhyastha, Antakarna, including Vrittis, which presents us the experience of samsara. So this is how, that is Kartritva, Bhoktritva are superimposed where? On Chaitanya Rupa Atma. These 4 sutras point out that Atma Jnana is mentioned, but not directly, because it is not the subject matter of Patanjali Yoga. So it is indirectly mentioned. Actually, one who has gone through Vedanta thoroughly only can deserve that it is said so. Continue.
निरोध समाधिना शोधिते त्वं पदार्थे साक्षात्कृते अपि तस्य ब्रह्मत्वं गोचरयितुं महावाक्येन ब्रह्मविद्यानामकं वृत्त्यन्तरम् उत्पद्यते.
See, let me finish this portion, okay? Nirodha samadhina shodhite tvam pradarte sakshat krite api. By now, having given the or shown how Patanjali Yoga Sutras also speak indirectly of Atma Jnana, he picks up the thread of what? The necessity of Nirodha Samadhi, where it was shown Atma in its Nirupadika form can be experienced. Okay? Nirodha Samadhina means, according to Patanjali Yoga Sutra, Asampradnyata Samadhi, with the word that we are familiar, Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Tvam padarthe sakshat kriti api. Tvam padartha, which tvam padartha? Tvam of Tattvamasi Mahavakya. How? Sakshat kriti. What sakshat kriti means? In its real nature. What is the other word for that? Shodhita tvam padartha. Api. Now yes, then what happened? I know who am I. What is that? I am Nirupadhika Chaitanya Swarupa. But what? But udhar baap baitha hai udhar. With that baap, Ishwar. Oh, I am subjected to his law of karma. No. That baap is mute in a different disguise. So therefore what is that? Jiva Brahma Aikya. Jiveshwara Aikya. Yes sir, this is the fundamental thing you have to accomplish. What is the fundamental thing? Experience of Shodhita Tvam Pada. That will be pointed out by Mahavakya as what? Brahma. If you don't have this experience, what Mahavakya means? If Tvam is not experienced, Nirupadika, Tat, I told other day, what is that? Devotion from Brahma. A samsari Brahma, because of your Vedanta, will get reduced. Reduced to samsari Jiva. No, it is elevating or making discover Jiva. In reality, you are what? Asamsari Brahman. For that asamsari Jiva has to be experienced, and this asampradnya samadhi, that state, how you achieve is a different thing, is going to come. Is necessary. Say, then what happens? Tasya, of that pada. Which pada? Shodhita tvam padasya. Brahmatvam gocharayitum. To reveal its nature as what? Brahma, Swarupa, Samsari, Nirguna, Nirupadika Brahmasuttam. Mahavakyena. By Mahavakya, what is pointed out? Now let us reverse it. Tattvamasi, you have arrived at what? Tvam. This Tvam, Nirupadika, is a Tatvasi. Tat Brahmasi. This is how Mahavakya. This Tvam Pada, you, I, Aham Brahmasmi, Nirupadika, which you have experienced, Nirvikalpa, is what? That Brahma. So what happened? You got your identity. Either you are mistaken with what? Samsari, Jiva. I say you are mistaken. If this Tvampada Shodhana is there, Mahavakya doesn't work. Doesn't work. Why? Mind is not pure. So that is Mahavakyena. And now Vritti. What Vritti? Aham Brahmasmi. I am Brahma. That he knows. I am Brahma. He may not spell out. He can't spell out. Why? He is under Swarupa Samadhi. See? Brahma Vidya Namakam Vrityantaram Utpadyate. That was after coming out of it. Brahma Vidya. What is Brahma Vidya? My Swarupa is what? Brahma. Which my Swarupa? That Shodhita Tvampada, which is it is what? Brahma. Iti Utpadyate. But sir, very difficult. Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. ये आसन ही नहीं होता है. Or we can't sit, or we have to, we need chairs, etc. You are talking of this, etc. Don't worry. What is that? So let us see what Vidya has to say. Nacha.
न च शुद्ध त्वं पदार्थ साक्षात्कारे निरोध समाधिः एकः एव उपायः किन्तु चिज्जड विवेकेन अपि पृथक् कृते तत्र साक्षात्कार संभवात्.
Says, don't think Patanjali Yoga Sutra means Ashtanga Yoga. Ashtanga Yoga alone is the means to experience Shodhita Tvampada. Don't be under this impression. Say, Nacha Shuddha Tvampadartha Sakshat. Sakshatkara means what? Chinmatra Saratvam. Chaitanya alone, free from all Adhyastha Upadhi. So that is Tvampadartha Sakshatkari. Nirodha Samadhi Eka Eva Upaya Nacha. Nirodha Samadhi is the only means. No, it is not a fact. Why? Kintu, whereas Chit Jada Vivekena Api. By the distinction between Chaitanya and Jada, which we know familiarly as what? Drik, Drishya, Viveka. You know who taught this? Goddess Saraswati. Goddess Saraswati is the Saraswati Rahasya Upanishad. The text we get, Drik, Drishya, Viveka, is a commentary on that. In that, 25-30 verses are verbatim repeated. Further is what? Elaboration by Bharati Tirtha. Chijjana Vivekena api Pruthakrite. Pruthakrite means what? Distinct. What is distinct? Chaitanya and Tat Sakshatkara Sambhava. Tat Sakshatkara means what? Shuddha Tvampada Sakshatkara is possible. For this he corroborates by the statement of Vasishta from Yoga Vasishta.
अतः एव वसिष्ठः आह द्वौ क्रमौ चित्तनाशस्य
द्वौ क्रमौ चित्तनाशस्य
योगो ज्ञानं च राघव
योगो ज्ञानं च राघव
योगस्तद्वृत्तिरोधो हि
योगस्तद्वृत्तिरोधो हि
ज्ञानं सम्यगवेक्षणम्
ज्ञानं सम्यगवेक्षणम्
असाध्यः कश्चित्
कस्यचित्
असाध्यः कस्यचित् योगः
असाध्यः कस्यचित् योगः
कस्यचित् ज्ञाननिश्चयः
कस्यचित् ज्ञाननिश्चयः
प्रकारौ द्वौ ततो देवः
प्रकारौ ततो देवः
जगाद परमेश्वरः
जगाद परमेश्वरः
अतः इति च ओके अतः एव वशिष्ठः आह because of this reason that there is other alternate method also is there, so who Vashishta said what that Raghava o Rama chittanashascha dvau kramam. Chittanasha means manonasha means here nirupadika atma, that is how we have seen, that is that free from vrittis, what remains atma only, chaitanya only remain, for that is there are chittanashas, therefore manonasha, to arrive at chaitanya rupa atma free from all vrittis. Two methods, kramau methods, what are those? Yoga jnanam cha. Yoga stands for Ashtanga Yoga. Jnanam here, Chit Jada Viveka. So the next, second line will explain it. What is yoga? Tad vritti rodha. Tad means here chitta. Chitta vritti rodha. That is, by vritti rahitya, cognizing Chaitanya and Chaitanya alone, free from all others. What is jnana? Samyak avekshanam. By chit jada viveka, what you do? Thoroughly appreciate chit free from jada. Why Bhagavan has given two methods? Kasyachit asadhya yoga. See, these mentalities differ, aptitudes differ. To some people, yoga is asadhya, Ashtanga yoga is next to impossible. Kasyachit jnana nishchaya. To other people, ascertainment of Swarupa by chit jada etc. Because some people, they will even lift the mountain. But if they will not be able to sit at one place 5 minutes and think, at a disposition, prarabdha. Kasyachit jnana nishchaya asadhya. Therefore tataha, therefore devaha, vidya devaha, parameshwaraha, dvau prakarau jagada. He told, he recommended two methods. But Viveka, Vairagya, etc. are necessary. Don't think you can escape from that. We can add to this also, but basically same thing. What is it? Panchikarana meditation. Other day I told you that Timbe Swami said, even japa, not our mamuli japa, not ordinary, crores are crores leading to Saguna Brahma Sakshatkara and blessing can take up to 5th stage of Jnana. Can take. So that is there, etc. Depending on this, it is possible. So this way, in Patanjala Yoga Sutra, what is that? Atma Jnana is mentioned, but how? Indirectly.